Jason!
Dad!
Jason! No!
Jason! Jason! Oh my God, no! No! No, Jason! Oh my God, no! No!
Death. I stopped living the same time Jason did.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the Origami killer asked me to investigate the murders.
Help you? There's nothing you can do! My son's dead, do you hear me? He's dead!
Lieutenant Blake, I'm Agent Norman Jayden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning, they told me to be here. Now if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place.
That's the second time I found you in a bad way. You always seem to be running for your life. What's happening, Ethan?
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times when I don't know what I'm doing. I recover consciousness sometime later, but I'm someplace else. And I have no idea how I got there.
Ethan Mars has had psychological problems since his first son died. Feels responsible for his death. Sort of morbid neurosis. He is haunted by visions of drowning bodies.
Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son?
Help! Dad!
Sean!
Where are you? I'm so cold! Dad! Dad!
I came here to find a killer, and that is exactly what I'm gonna do.
I hear you've been asking questions about my son. You have no business investigating my son. I told you, he had nothing to do with it.
Do you know who my father is? He only has to lift one finger and you won't wake up tomorrow morning. You're the one that should be afraid, Mr. Shelby.
Ash, I want you to assign every available man to finding Ethan Mars. I want a man outside his place day and night. Notify all agencies to start looking for him. I want you to keep an eye on the train stations, the airports, the bus terminals. I want every cop in the city on his ass, so that if he moves, we know about it. Yes, Ethan Mars is the Origami killer.
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer. But it just doesn't make sense. I can't see this father drowning 8 victims before kidnapping his own kid. Mars is not the Origami killer. I'd stake my life on it.
This isn't a game, Lauren. Manfred was murdered because he knew the identity of the killer. I can't take a chance on the killer getting that close to me again.
You're all over the news reports, Ethan. Every cop in the country will be hunting you. They say you're the Origami killer.
As Sean is out of danger, I'll turn myself in, but not until then.
There has to be another way.
You don't understand. Time is running out. Sean will be dead in a few hours. I have no choice!
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son? You have 5 minutes to cut off the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.